Unlock the meaning of high block in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel where we help you crack the code of English phrases and idioms, making you speak like a native. Today, we're going to unlock the meaning of the phrase, high block. You might have come across this phrase in various contexts, and it can be a bit confusing. So, let's get into it and learn so that by the end of this video, you'll be using high block like a pro. High block is a phrase that originally comes from the world of martial arts. In martial arts, a high block is a defensive move used to protect oneself from an overhead attack. The term has been adopted into everyday English to signify blocking or preventing something from having an impact on you or a situation. For example, when you face challenges or negative influences that you want to defend yourself against, you might use a metaphorical high block. This could apply to personal situations, sports commentary, or even business scenarios. In its most literal sense, a high block refers to a move where a person uses their arm to stop or deflect a high strike. It is a fundamental technique taught in many martial arts disciplines, including karate, taekwondo, and others. The term is quite descriptive, as high refers to the area above the body that is being defended, and block refers to the stopping action. This is a clear-cut example of a phrase that visually describes the action it represents. When we take high block out of the dojo and into everyday conversation, it transforms in meaning. Figuratively speaking, high block can be used to describe preventing something undesirable from happening. For instance, if someone is spreading rumors and you ignore them or counter them with facts, you're performing a high block against misinformation. It's also used to describe a protective measure against any potential problems or high-impact events. For example, in business, a high block might be a strategy to prevent a competitor from taking over a market share. Let's see how high block can be used in daily conversations. In personal development, she did a high block on all the negativity and focused on her goals. In sports, the goalkeeper performed a high block, stopping what seemed like a sure goal. In business, our company has to execute a high block strategy against these new regulations to survive. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, high block. Remember, whether you're speaking literally about martial arts or metaphorically about life's challenges, high block is all about defending and protecting. We hope this video has given you a solid understanding of this versatile phrase. Keep practicing, and don't forget to high block any difficulties learning English. See you in the next video.